Want to turn TDX energy into real world momentum? We've got your post TDX checklist here with our admin dream team, Rebecca Starr, Mike Gerholt, and Lisa Dick. Welcome.
Right.
Now, right after TDX, what's the first thing that people should do, Rebecca?
The number one thing people should do is clean your data. Like your agents depend on it because they do.
They do. All right, number two, Mike.
I mean, start with some low-hanging fruit or a meaningful use case. There's something out there that's easy to solve that sales, service, or an executive is looking for. That's your first win, then you can go from there.
All right, Lisa, number three.
Shift your mindset from builder to orchestrator. You're not just configuring fields and flows anymore. You really are making decisions about how humans and AI work together. What an incredible responsibility, but also opportunity. I think this is the most exciting time to be a Salesforce admin.
Well, on that note, I want to thank you all very much. Thank you, Rebecca, Mike, Lisa, for joining us. And here you go, your 3 TDX action items to apply immediately. Coming up next, we've got True to the Core Deep Dive Agentforce, where you can now be a part of that session remotely. You can ask a question right here in the chat on Salesforce Plus, and you may hear your question being read live in the session. Don't go anywhere. You're about to interact with True to the Core Deep Dive Agentforce. Next.